guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. On my channel I do all kinds of DIY cooking and crafting. So if you like that kind of content, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. For today we're going to make a very interesting little DIY project, a homemade bird feeder made out of recycled items. So you can see Georgie is joining us for this project because he's being really noisy and I can't get to make video with him making that much noise. So he is joining us to build this DIY bird feeder today, and we will be making it together. So let's get cracking. To make this bird feeder, what you will need is a plate. This is just a plastic picnic plate that I'm going to use, as well as 2 empty plastic bottles. You need some twine or rope or string or wool, whatever you want to hang the bird feeder from. You need some glue. I'm going to use my hot glue gun. You need a knife. I'm going to use this X-Acto knife. And you need a Sharpie. So let's start making this bird feeder. So thank you for watching my video today. I had a lot of fun making these recycled bird feeders. Give it a go for yourself. It's good to reuse instead of just sending it to the landfill, and the birds get a little bit of extra feed outside. I'm sure they will appreciate it as well. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.